how to register as a teacher on WebTeachers.eu. First of all, I want to congratulate you on deciding to teach with us. I'm going to take you through easy 3 steps how to become a teacher. First of all, you'll need to click on Create New Teacher link. Here you will need to add in information about you. Your first name, last name, username, your gender, your password that you're gonna use to log in the system, date of birth, street address, town and city you live in, and country or states you live in, password, zip code, email address, phone number, and Skype username. Once you have put in this information, click Next. In here, we'll put in information about your education and skills. You have three options to choose from. Do you perhaps have an educational degree? Do you have experience as for example, a volunteer in Africa? Or perhaps you have certification in some field. In my case, I will put in that I have education, and the title of my education is English language degree. Institution I learned it in is the University of London. Location, London. I started in 2009 and I finished in 2014. In here you can choose if you're a professional teacher or community tutor. In this case, I'm a professional teacher, but perhaps you were born in USA and you have not done this before, but your English is fluent and you know it. Perhaps you just wanna teach for fun or to earn some extra bucks, then you would choose a community tutor. I'll click that I'm a professional teacher, as I have a degree in English language degree. In the next section, is your biography. In here, don't hold back and write all the information about you. It's all the information that the customer might find interesting about you. In here I write that I'm a native British English. I have TEFL and IELTS certifications. I talk about my experience in the work field, how long I have been teaching, just brief information about me that the customer might find interesting. You might add in also some other things, for example the type of students you want to teach, what's your specialty. Once you have done that, you click on preferred student age. That's the age that you wish your student to be in. In my case, I wish to teach students who are 13 to 60 year olds. I have a C2 level in English, so I will check in all the fields in preferred level of students. But if you have, for example, a B1 field, then you would choose that you only teach A1 and A2 A2 levels. Next, you have to add a photo ID. In here, you can also add certification, a photo of your certification if you have it. It's not obligatory, but we would appreciate it. And once you have done that, click Next. Here, add the languages you speak. In my case, I speak English at level C2. Next, you add in languages you teach. I teach English, again at level C2, but perhaps you might be also teaching some other language like Swedish, Finnish. You can choose any language on the list. Next, we'll go to desired salary. Here, you can type in how much you would like to earn. In my case, I would like to earn €5 an hour. So in here, it auto calculates how much the student would pay for 1, 10, or 30 lessons. The more lessons the student buys, the cheaper it gets, because there's a discount added. From this, WebTeachers keeps 15 to 20% as a commission fee for using our platform. So keep that in mind when you're choosing your desired salary. Next, I suggest you leave this field as checked yes, because this is the field that's responsible for you receiving messages from students, or for example a student books a lesson with you, then you would receive a notification not only in our platform but also in email. We do not recommend to click no, click yes. It's very important to keep it there, so you do not miss out on students. Of course, click on agree to WebTeachers terms of services and privacy policy. You can read them by clicking on the links and click sign up, and that's it. Thank you for joining WebTeachers, and I see you on the field. Wait for the first student to apply and start your teaching.